If two angles stand on the same arc, how are they related? Let's discover this powerful circle theorem. The angle at the center is always twice the angle at the circumference, when both stand on the same arc. If the center angle is 120 degrees, the circumference angle is half, that's 60 degrees. Special case, the diameter makes 180 at the center, so the angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. Common mistake: always check both angles stand on the same arc. Wrong arc gives a wrong answer. Remember, the center is the boss. Always double center angle equals 2 times circumference angle. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.